I've got this color, and this color. So I'm trying to make this color. Now the blue butterfly I've never seen before. Beautiful. Look at the notes on there. I wonder what song it is. I need to see to do this. Oh, still a little light there. Just gonna have a little bit darker. Ta-da, but it's so yellow. Let's see if I can just get a little drop in. Wait. Watch it. Look at that. This is still a little bit yellower. This is yellower than this. I know it looks on the camera, it looks exactly, but in person, it's gonna have more yellow. It just has to have more yellow. Well, the storm's not here yet. We're almost Halloween. Tomorrow's Halloween day, and we're giving a big storm for the night. Lovely Easter. Some more love. Lovely. Oh, see how lighter it is? You see that? Oh, that's not gonna do. I need to have it darker. Oh, pretty. They whispered to her, "You cannot withstand the storm." And she whispered back, "I am the storm." Lovely again. Oh, lots of love here. Let all that you do be done in love. How's my hair? Just wondering. No, I'm not gonna lick it. Oh yeah. That's pretty close. I think I thought putty that. I did thought putty that. So here we go. Let's try this beautiful color and see if this works. To the garden. Show me some. Sorry, bird. You skipped that look?
Yeah. Because he's really pissed.
I think we made him angry. Isn't that pretty? It's an old-fashioned jukebox. From me to you. Oh, look at that. I like clocks and ink and feathers and roses and hearts and keys. The vehicle passing by. The neighbors have company. Just in case you want to know. Oh, so nice. A locked heart. Oh, beautiful. What do you guys think? Wow-wee. Look, is it close enough? Pretty close, huh? What'd you say? That could be in my collection because it's gold. It's got gold on it. Gold head. Need some of this. Hold your breath. That's a pretty colorful butterfly. Wow. What else do we have here? More butterflies? Oh, nice. What this? What this? What do more of what makes you happy? Well, I think crafting makes me happy. Painting. Being creative is what makes me happy. Don't paint that thing where the water goes in because you don't want to get the paint in. I didn't say I was a carpenter. I really didn't. But I maybe could be one someday. Just not today. Any paint in the water, so don't paint that thing. You don't want the water to touch, but that's gonna be fine because it's water just goes right. I found another love. Lovey, 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 love. Success starts with self-discipline. True. Oh, I think I can do this. Watch me. Work, all you're driving me crazy. Little bit of soul now. I wonder what Avery's gonna say when he comes home and he finds that I've ripped out half of the closet. Your only limit is your mind. Yeah, I believe so. Just be yourself. That's right. Can't be anybody else because you're not. Stay focused and never give up on your dreams. True. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. That's true. You got to believe you can. No such thing as I can't. Just I don't want to. Dream it, wish it, do it. I getting disrupted. Spam. I hate spam. There should be a law against this. I just get me in power somewhere, and I'll stop that. I will. Vote for me. Vote for the person that will get rid of spam. On to the next thing. I have some beautiful little, hold on. I'll go get them. Just a minute. I'm back. So I have these beautiful little hearts. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. I love it. I'm gonna make ice cubes from these. Like, what would be any better than putting hard ice cubes in your water or whatever you're drinking? Huh? Like, I might like get some strawberries and then use the strawberries to color the water. Isn't that exciting? That would be so exciting. And so I'm thinking about making some chocolate hearts. Chocolate hearts, like I'm thinking dark chocolate, sweetened with honey, vanilla, salt, just pure goodness. Good for you too. So I watch what I eat, or at least I try. I'm not perfect in this. Don't say, oh, I saw you eating this, or I saw you eating, because I'm not perfect in it. But I am trying quite hard. Sometimes I fall off the wagon, and other times I'm doing well. So don't judge me. Painted my Keurig. It's so lovely. I love it. I love it. I love my Keurig. And so I'm going to be putting some pretty decals on it. Like roses. Roses. Oh, like very strategically on there. It's there. Can you see it? Here. There it is. See it? Oh, isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. So, how's my hair? Man, it was raining this morning. I prayed for rain, you know. I did, because we're dry. We were dry. My well's dry at home. And I need some water. And so I prayed for rain. And we got it. We got it today, praise God. We got it today. But I was tested. I had to go an appointment to the doctors at the hospital. And I'm gonna live, don't worry. I had to park way for half a mile down the road to get to the hospital in the pouring rain. Thankfully, I had it's not really a kind of vinyl-y kind of. Anyway, I had a hood on, but by the time I got to the door of the hospital, I was like drenched. My pants were like, ooh, sticking to me and wet and cold. And so I went to the bathroom right away, and I took a paper towel, and I was wiping down my pants, wiping down my jacket, and the thought came to complain, and I said, no, Leanne, don't complain, because you prayed for this. So instead, I thanked God for the rain. The difficulties. You know what I mean. I know you guys complain too. It's not only me. But I didn't complain, so I was quite proud of myself. I could just imagine. I can see it. Can you see it? Things fall around here. Maybe there's ghosts. I'm not sure, but I'm not scared of ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Yep, so anyway, I think that's all that I need to tell you. Oh, I need to tell you what color my lovely Keurig is. It is. So this is the electrician. I know this guy, and it surprised me to see him here. Look at this mess that he's created. He's created. No, he's a good guy. He's a good friend, and we like to raise hell, and he's pretty bad actually. Look at him. They told me he was quiet. It was like, what? Yeah.
Is that electrician that we got?
Yeah, no, he's gonna be
very quiet.
Yeah, no, he's not. He's pretty noisy. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I was pleased to see it was him. He's a good guy. I don't know what kind of electrician he is.
Well, let's just say we're not going to leave junction boxes inside the wall.
Yes, okay. He's doing the right thing and getting things all proper, and I'm sure he's good. I mean, Corning Electric is known to be fairly a decent company, I would say. And that's who he works for, Corning Electric. There's the truck right in there. Look, there you go. If you need them, call. Porcelain-doll tea set. Mint. Porcelain-doll tea set. Mint. Isn't that a great color? This is my color. It's not phthalo blue or phthalo green. It's porcelain-doll tea set. Mint. Okay, there we go. Putting on the stripes. Over here. Put your hand on that.
Why would you want me to put my hand on that?
Because if you steal anything, I've got your fingerprints. You have a huge hand. You're like a bear. Oh my gosh. It's not the easiest thing to do, I have to say. The best is yet to come. That's what they say. Got that done. Oops. Yeah, I said I was going to wait for it to dry, but I didn't. Fall in love with taking care of yourself. Got to take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, how can you look after somebody else? You can't. You got to be good. You got to be well yourself. It always seems impossible until it's done. Oh my gosh. What's the matter with me? What's the matter? You got to know it's bad. What do you think you do? Why are you looking so sad? Let's see. Beautiful. Lovely. Oh, so pretty. That could work. I like these roses. I'd like to put these roses on my Keurig. Yes, it's mine now. Avery doesn't have it anymore. It's mine. I painted it. It's mine. Don't tell him, though.
In and out.
In and out, yeah. That's the one.
Okay. Hold on.
He's got all this done. Looks very good. He's doing a pretty good job, I have to say. I mean, I'm supervising, though.
That's why I'm doing good. Boss is tough.
He's blocking it.
The boss is tough.
Yeah, the boss is tough. He's a tough boss. Somebody's got to be tough.
That's right.
Might as well be me.
That's right. I can take it. I have big shoulders.
Lovely. Look, what can I make with this? I can make signs. I can make a dollhouse if I wanted to. I can make anything. Like, it's lovely. Woo! Sand it all good. I'm so noisy. Let's see if I can get this. Easy does it. There's screws on the end of this. Another nice board. Look at that. So there's nails here. How am I supposed to get out of here? Oh yes. Oops. Tear myself apart. Ta-da! And that's how it's done. What the heck is in here? Oh, paper. What am I gonna do with this? So I can't stand the mess. I don't want to walk in the mess though. So I'll clean it. As I go along. That's how a woman does this. They left in distance. So insulation? Why? Oh look! Oh, that's the outside of the house. This seems to be the outside of the house. Oh, there's gonna be lots of wood there. Look at that. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I will not think I like it. He's kind of straight. He came out, he's crooked. I'm sweating. I need a break.
I don't. Whoops!
Wow. Qué worst condition. Qué worst condition.
Kas conditions, yeah.
What do you guys think? Is it close enough? I wanted it a little bit darker anyway, which is good. I think I like that. Today I got a much needed break. My bestie came over and we had a nice long walk, and it was so nice out. You know, the sun's out, it's cool, but still very nice. And sometimes you need to have just your bestie come and just hang out, and feels good. So I did the gold first coat, and it looks a little bit not the greatest, but I'm gonna work on that and see what else I can do. So I'm gonna put one coat of this. I'm not gonna put it on the gold yet because I'm not finished the gold. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the gold yet. So today I've been, what the heck? Excuse me. Hold on. My wire, my pinstripe fell off. Oh my goodness. I'll have to glue that there. But yeah, I've been putting pinstripes in, if you can see here. Usually this. I'm working on this. So today I planted garlic and now I've got celery growing. I just put it in this here and I should have some something growing out of here in a week or so, maybe a week or two. We'll see. I'll keep you. I just took it out of my fridge and I cut it. I cut all the celery sticks off and I've got just the bottom part and I put it in about a 1/4 inch of water, maybe a little more. Oh, it's probably a 1/4 inch and then it looks like a 1/2 inch once you put this in, but not very much water. It doesn't like to be drowned. I like things that grow. Except when it's my body. I don't like my body to grow. It's grown enough. I wish it would shrink a little bit, but I guess I need to stop eating things that are fattening. How's my hair? See this? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. See that? That's gonna go. I'm gonna get rid of it on Friday. Oh crap. I got it too short. Cut it short. Where is it? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my goodness. Where did he go? Oh well. I'll fix him. One thing about things is you can always fix your mistakes most of the time. You just have to be a little bit creative. You know? I wish life was like that, but seems like it's not really like that. I mean, have you ever made mistakes you can't fix them? You can't paint them over. There's no overness to do. Okay, I've got it. Look, I'm going to snip this off. Not too short. But man, it took off some of the paint. I have to paint it over. Paint. I don't like the way I say paint. 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 Just a tip. When I first started painting the Keurig, I used the gold gel pen. And so now every time I put the varnish on, it kind of like makes a mess of the gold. It spreads it all over the paint. So I would suggest not to use the gel pen, but the actual metallic gold was fine. So I'll just paint over what it messed up and yeah, fix it. It's fixable as paint. You just paint over it. Varnish here, have gloss gel all over the Keurig. So I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. See the mess that made? So I'm gonna wait till it dries and then I'll just go over with the green. That's going to be hidden by this anyway. There's not much light in here yet till the electricians get that done. You guys see Ben, make sure you tell him to come and get Leanne's lights up. There it is. Coffee set. Tea set. Soup bowls. Everything's matching. Well, the coffee cup doesn't match the greatest, but I'll have to find one that does. But this is so cute. Look at the pink tail. So cute. That's Dumbo the plant. And that's dry.